In today's video, it's strictly updates, ongoing and completed projects from every nook and crannies of Enugu State. Just like me, who else is so amazed and utterly surprised at how many works ongoing in Enugu State? There are so many of them, but in today's video, we'll be bringing you some, and while in subsequent videos, we'll bring you others. So, stay put. If you have been following development across Enugu State lately, one thing is becoming very clear. Something serious is going on. Under the leadership of Peter Mbah, Enugu State is witnessing massive transformation, especially in road infrastructure. And what is even more impressive is that these projects are not limited to just the city center. They are spread across rural and urban communities alike. It is not selective development, it's widespread development. This is a construction of a two-span bridge which is currently ongoing at Nkano East local government area. This project is not just about concrete and steel, it is about strengthening connectivity, improving access for residents. It's about making movement safer and easier for communities that previously struggled with access. This bridge represents connection, opportunity and growth. Road construction work is also progressing steadily at Owo, linking Nkano East and Enugu East local government areas. This is a strategic corridor. Improved mobility here means faster transportation, easier access to businesses, opening up communities for development, increasing land value and investment potential. Infrastructure is the backbone of economic growth, and this project is a clear example. There is also the West Road 1 in Transekulu. Asphalt laying is actively ongoing. You can already see the difference. From rough surfaces to smooth, motorable roads, the transformation is visible. For residents and road users, this means reduced vehicle wear and tear, improved safety, better daily commuting experience. These are practical improvements that affect everyday life. Beyond roads, education infrastructure is also receiving serious attention in Enugu State. The government's Technical College Enugu has undergone a remarkable transformation. Rebuilt under Governor Peter Mbah, the institution now reflects a renewed commitment to quality education and modern learning environment. From outdated structures to upgraded facilities, the transformation speaks volumes. A better learning space today means better skilled graduates tomorrow. Road infrastructure work is also ongoing at Monarch Avenue in Enugu State. Construction activities are actively progressing as part of the broader efforts to improve connectivity and deliver durable, high-quality roads. Again, this is not just urban beautification, it is strategic infrastructure expansion. One of the striking aspects of this development is balance. Projects are not concentrated in one location. Both rural and urban areas are seeing tangible improvements, from bridges in local government areas to asphalt in residential neighborhoods. The spread is visible. This suggests a deliberate strategy to change the face of Enugu State comprehensively, not partially. Just remember, these are just some of the projects. There are many more ongoing across different parts of the state, and in our subsequent videos, we'll be bringing them to you. So if you're interested in real-time updates on developments across Enugu State and Nigeria at large, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next update. Development is happening and we are documenting it gradually.